I'm sorry, I cut myself off in that last one. So let's discuss just some more effects of the Crusades and then we're done. Militarily, the Europeans gained only small territories along the eastern coast of the Mediterranean, and these so-called Crusader states became the centers of Christianity and trade with the East. Jerusalem became a city jointly occupied by Muslims, Jews, and Christians. Culturally, the Crusades resulted in great advancements for the Europeans, who, for example, rediscovered Roman and Greek literature that Muslim scholars had maintained for centuries. The science, math, and philosophies of those classical civilizations began an intellectual revival in the 14th and 15th centuries called the Renaissance. And this started Western Europe on a path toward global hegemony or control in the 19th century. Economic results for the Europeans were also good. Spices, food, silk, cotton, and many other products entered Western Europe as never before. The demand for these goods led to an increase in the number of towns along trade routes to the east and an increase in wealth in the west, which led to more trade. And finding alternative and hopefully cheaper ways of trading these goods ultimately led to expeditions funded by European monarchs, and like Christopher Columbus was one of these. It increased contacts between Western Europeans and Asians via trade, and this also led to the introduction of unfamiliar diseases into the West. Remember, we have talked about the Black Death numerous times, and this was one of those things. So, this is the crash course videos on the Crusades. I highly encourage that you watch it again. I know we watched it in class, but I highly encourage you to watch it again. Thanks, guys.